Well, Friday is feeding day here on Grow Together. Glad you're back and joining me. As I said, I like to take care of my plants, and one of the things I like to use is called Miracle Grow. This has all the nutrients that my plants need. They just gobble it up and grow. And what I like to do is I like to measure it out in these bottles, like I said, and there's just enough for me to give one of my plants. So I'll come down here to this plant right down here, this beautiful purple one, and I'm just going to put my food in there. And I just hear him gobbling it up right now, and he's going to really enjoy that. You know, it does make a difference what we put into our lives. It reminds me, the other day, Cindy and I were cleaning out our refrigerator. You know, we were getting all those leftovers and things that are out of date and all that type of stuff out. And when we finished up, I took the bag, gave it a twirl, and began to walk out to the trash can where I could throw it away. But right in the middle of the kitchen, that bag burst open. And you know what fell out? Trash. Just exactly what I put into the bag. You know, we are what we put in to our lives. In fact, in Romans 12:2, God tells us, please don't be conformed to this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your minds. Are there times when you've done something that really made you feel good? I mean, you were just so proud of yourself and you enjoyed it. And then there's those times where you did something and you thought, why in the world did I do that? Well, it's back to my plants. And it's about the Miracle Grow and how I could choose any plant food that I wanted. You know, I remember growing up, my mom would say, Stephen, you better eat those vegetables on your plate so you'll grow up strong. Well, I don't have my mom to tell me what to eat anymore. So what do? Well, God's words tells us in James 5, if any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, who gives to us freely. So if you're wondering what you should put into your life, ask God. He'll let you know. Here's my challenge. In the comment section, would you please tell me something that your mom told you to eat? Like your vegetables, or maybe it was Brussels sprouts or spinach. I don't know, but I'm sure there's something. Hey, thanks for joining me again. This is Steve on Grow Together, and anything is possible with God.